along our... Blah. You ready, Mamash? Hello and welcome back to Vanilla and Company, where I, alongside Vanilla, share all things home and garden with you. So we have an extra special episode for you today. I'll be sharing 3 of my favorite holiday treats. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for our first treat, we're going to be making pumpkin cheesecake cups. These are one of my favorites because they're easy to make and I can make them ahead of time and just stick them in the freezer and bring them out, and they taste just as good as if I would have made them fresh. We have our ingredients, which include the pie crust base, the pumpkin, the sugar, the cheesecake, butter, eggs, the spices, and let's go ahead and get started. So to make my pie crust, I'm going to go ahead and mix in the graham crackers, the brown sugar, and the sugar. Mix those in first, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the melted butter. I'm going to put this off to the side for the meanwhile. For the next part, we're going to go ahead and add in all our dry ingredients and then add in our wet ones. Okay, so we've made it this far. I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple. I don't know how far this will go because I'm using a cheesecake recipe, but I'm gonna make a couple big ones and a couple of smaller ones. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. So I'm doing about a tablespoon in each cup. I'm a big fan of pie crust. So I don't want to be stingy on the thickness. Also, don't forget to start preheating your oven. I'm going to put it at 350. So I'm using my 1/3 of a cup measuring cup just to fill these, just because it's easy to scoop, and it's about the amount that I need for the bigger ones, and then there might be a little too much for the smaller ones. Okay, so while that's in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make this apple cider festive drink. I'm gonna try at least 2 variations. So we have some mandarins, cranberries, and some freshly picked rosemary. So what I'm gonna do is heat up the apple cider first, cut a couple slices of the mandarins, and prep the cranberries to use them. So our cider is ready. I'm gonna make 3 different ones. Don't think I have enough, but that's okay. We'll split it up a little bit. So in one, I'm just gonna do the orange as such. In another, I'm just going to throw in cranberries with the rosemary. Let that steep a little bit. And with the last one, I'm going to do both. I mean, look how pretty that is. So we have orange only, cranberry only, and cranberry orange. Okay, so that's the orange only.
Cheers. Cranberry with rosemary?
Yes.
Cheers. Cranberry orange with rosemary? Cheers. They're good. I like them.
Do they taste different? So does the orange taste the same as the one with orange and cranberries?
Slightly, yes.
Okay. So the cranberries
I do love
are
the
just
garnish
cute.
of cranberries. I mean, it's a nice garnish. But, I mean, it's good. I drink it.
Nice.
Yeah.
So thank you, hubby, for being our taste tester for today.
Thanks for the free drinks.
Okay, so our cupcakes are out of the oven and they've cooled down a little bit. So we had a small mishap as it was coming out, but it's okay. We still have the majority that are still okay. So we're gonna put them in these cute little cups. So now we're gonna decorate this. I made some whipped cream just from heavy whipping cream. It's a little soft. Very soft. Oh, it's very soft. We can make a little family right here. Probably half of that. And more rosemary. Look at how cute that is. How precious. Let's see the peel. Oh, the peel sucks. Oh no, I could have baked these more. No! Alright, so I put them to cook a little bit longer. So here's the final product. Clearly the whipping cream was not whipping. but we'll go ahead and try it anyway. So the peel test is a lot better. Look at that. Look at that. How cute. Super good. We're gonna let Vanilla have some too. You approve? She approves. So if you made it this far, we just want to say thank you. We hope you enjoy the treats that we shared with you guys today. And keep an eye out for Vlogmas. Happy Thanksgiving. And God bless. You got a cough?
It's bloody raw!
I'd say it's pretty good.
Yeah. I need a napkin.